we don't want no more police now we lane. We tired of it. When they come ask the money, 1,500,000, where we get it from?
Residents of Petersfield in Westmoreland staged a protest on Friday, demonstrating against what they describe as police extortion in the area. They say around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF entered the community in unmarked vehicles and started firing shots at the residents.
Right now, we are afraid of the police more than anything else because them just run in and start shoot. And them are extort people. When them come and can't get no money, then kill you with kick and lick. You understand what I say? So right now, they not run good. We want justice, sir.
When the shooting subsided, 20-year-old Joshawn Atkinson, also a resident of the community, was discovered suffering from gunshot wounds.
So what the police said to you?
They didn't say anything. They didn't even know that they shot me because I was running at the time because they pull up in the place, start run down where people, me get panic and then shot me and me just run go drop a one part and people carry me to hospital.
The officer in charge of operations in Westmoreland, Deputy Superintendent Adrian Hamilton, said the lawmen were carrying out an operation in the area when they came under gunfire from men in the community.
So the police were on operation when they were confronted by a group of men who fired on them. The police, in defense of their lives, returned the fire. The area was checked. No one was found injured or anything. But subsequent to that, a young man, Joshawn Atkinson, 20 years old, turned up at the Savamar Public Hospital, suffering from gunshot wounds to his thighs.
But the residents are insisting that the shooting was as a result of police extortion in the area gone bad.
That's right, them do it all the time. You see me? They're found already, then get 300,000. They're not satisfied. Then four, then get 500, they're not satisfied. You see me? Then grown so then get $1 million, they're not satisfied. What for do?
So you're saying that the police are extorting the youth in the community?
That's right.
Head of the Westmoreland Police Division, Senior Superintendent Robert Gordon, has since condemned the practice and is calling for the residents to formally report any extortion allegations.
I've heard it and I've always said to them, and I use this medium again. If it is that you are aware or if you give police money, one, you shouldn't be giving them any money. Two, we have means by how you can report these policemen or whoever that is collecting the money. Call 311, call 811, call 119, speak to a pastor, speak to anyone that you trust, that you believe that you can relay these corrupt practices to.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.